Welcome to Upcycled Wood Design Ideas. In today's world, where sustainability and creativity go hand in hand, Upcycled Wood Design offers a unique opportunity to transform discarded materials into stylish home decor. This introduction showcases innovative ideas that turn old wood into stunning pieces that enhance modern homes. Not only do these designs elevate your living space, but they also provide a potential profit avenue for those looking to monetize their creativity. Get ready to explore a variety of projects, from chic furniture to decorative accents that appeal to contemporary tastes. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a beginner, you'll find inspiration in these concepts to turn reclaimed wood into sought-after decor. Embrace the art of upcycling and discover how to create beautiful, sellable pieces that bring both style and sustainability to any modern space. Upcycled wood has become a sought-after material in the world of home decor. Its unique textures and rich history offer a charm that mass-produced items simply can't replicate. By transforming discarded or old wood into stylish furnishings or decorative pieces, you not only contribute to environmental sustainability, but also create one-of-a-kind items that attract buyers looking for originality. This appeal can be leveraged to create a profitable venture while minimizing waste and promoting eco-friendly practices. One of the most impactful ways to utilize upcycled wood is for crafting statement furniture. Items like coffee tables, bookshelves, and dining tables can be made using reclaimed wood, showcasing its natural beauty and character. By incorporating innovative designs, such as geometric shapes or multifunctional pieces, you can cater to modern tastes while providing practical solutions for buyers. Investing time to create high-quality and aesthetically pleasing furniture can significantly enhance your profit margins. Upcycled wood can be turned into beautiful wall art, such as rustic shelves, wooden wall hangings, or framed pieces that display quotes or nature-inspired designs. By combining various woods and finishes, you can create striking visuals that capture attention. Unique wall art not only serves as a decor alternative, but also allows for personalization, appealing to customers who want to add a personal touch to their homes. From coasters and cutting boards to key holders and phone docks, the potential for small functional items made from upcycled wood is unlimited. These accessories can be made quickly and at a low cost, giving you a higher return on investment. Incorporating practical designs that serve everyday needs ensures that your products resonate with buyers looking for both aesthetics and functionality in their home decor. The ever-growing trend of indoor plants presents an opportunity to create stylish wood planters and garden decor from upcycled materials. Wooden planters offer a rustic touch that complements the greenery in homes. Moreover, decorative garden elements, such as birdhouses or trellises made from reclaimed wood, can attract eco-conscious gardening enthusiasts. Offering a range of sizes and styles can cater to diverse gardening needs and preferences. Lighting can dramatically change the ambience of a room, and unique wooden light fixtures can become standout pieces in any home. Pendant lights, table lamps, and wall sconces made from upcycled would not only add character, but also become conversation starters. By experimenting with different shapes, finishes, and colors, you can create a collection of lighting options that appeal to modern decor lovers, making your products highly marketable. Offering customizable options can significantly boost your sales potential. Allowing customers to select finishes, sizes, or even engravings can create a more personal connection to your products. This approach not only enhances the perceived value, but also encourages repeat purchases as customers seek out unique, tailored items for their homes or as gifts for friends and family. Networking with local artisans, boutiques, or online marketplaces can expand your reach and boost sales. By collaborating on unique projects or participating in local craft fairs and markets, you can showcase your upcycled wood designs. This strategy not only exposes your work to a broader audience, but also creates valuable connections with fellow creatives and local businesses, fostering community support. Effective marketing is essential for turning your passion for upcycled wood design into a profitable business. Utilize social media platforms such as Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your products aesthetically. High-quality photos, videos of the crafting process, and engaging captions can help build a following and attract potential buyers. Additionally, consider setting up an online store or joining platforms that allow artisans to sell their creations directly to customers. When it comes to pricing your upcycled wood products, it's essential to consider factors like material costs, labor, and market demand. Researching similar products can guide you in setting competitive yet fair prices. Remember to account for the uniqueness of upcycled materials, as their individual character can justify a higher price point. Offering different pricing tiers, depending on complexity or customization, can also cater to various customers. Embracing a mindset of continuous learning can help you grow as a creator and entrepreneur. Stay informed about design trends, sustainability practices, and market demands to keep your offerings fresh and relevant. Participating in workshops or online courses focused on woodworking and business development can enhance your skills and increase your marketability as an upcycling artisan. In conclusion, upcycled wood design offers endless possibilities for creating stylish and sellable home decor. By tapping into the demand for unique, sustainable products, you can carve out a niche for yourself in the modern home decor market. With creativity, dedication, and strategic marketing, turning reclaimed wood into beautiful items can become a rewarding and profitable endeavor. Embrace the journey of crafting and selling upcycled wood designs, and watch your passion flourish into a successful business. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you taking the time to explore our upcycled wood design ideas for stylish modern home decor. We hope you found inspiration to create beautiful and sellable pieces that not only enhance your space, but also contribute to sustainable living. If you enjoyed this content, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Your support helps us bring more creative ideas your way. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.